Well, I just thought I would share this position with my USBGF friends. I just think it's a fun one. Uh, the score is blue is 2 away. And I'm sorry, blue is 3 away. And red is 2 away. Red needs 2 points to win the match. And blue needs 3 points to win the match. And blue is on roll here. And obviously he needs a 4 pretty desperately. If he doesn't roll a 4, looks like he's in pretty tough shape here. Although he's got some chances if he doesn't roll a 4 and red doesn't roll a 6 for a roll or two, things could go his way. Anyway, it's blue's roll. What's the cube action here? Would you double? And if you doubled, should red take or pass? Well, at first glance, the double looked pretty ludicrous to me. This does not look like a real exciting position to double, and I always start out using Wilsey's law. There's no way in the world I think red would pass this. He's got just way too many ways to win. And the truth is, it is a double. What an exciting, interesting double I think this is. And the logic is this: if blue rolls that 4 with just about anything, he's going to be very, very, very sorry he didn't double. He lost his market by a lot. In fact, if he comes in with a 4 and hits and doesn't immediately get hit back, or red doesn't immediately roll a 1 and anchor, it's curtains for red. It looks like a lot of gambits for red, and it could mean the whole match if the cube is turned. So his upside is huge. His market losing potential is huge, even though he only comes in 11 out of 36 rolls, which is about 30% of the time. But those 30% are monstrous. What happens when he doesn't come in? What about the 70% of the time he doesn't come in? Well, pretty good percentage of those times he's going to get beat. And when he does get beat, blue could easily get gammoned a lot himself. And if he gets gammoned, he loses the match. So the downside is that if he doesn't come in and he gets gammoned, he loses the match. And what if he doesn't come in and he just loses the 2 points and loses the match after doubling? How much worse is that than losing 1 point and being 3 away, 1 away, 3 away, 1 away? His chances of winning the match are about 25%. He has to win 2 games in a row, which is about 25% of the time, unless he wins a backgammon, so we don't count that too much. So it's the risk and the reward makes this a cube. And by the way, I did roll this out. Blue wins this game 50% of the time, almost exactly 50-50. Blue wins about 15% gammons from here, and red wins about 10% gammons from here. It's all about what happens on the next roll. It's all about market losers, and I find this to be just a fascinating kind of position. Extreme Gammon got it right before the rollout. Plus Plus had it right, and it is a .028 error not to double. But I know very, very few players that would know to double this over the board. And that just shows you how intricate and fun and exciting a game we're playing. I think this is just a fascinating position, and I wanted to share it with you. Just maybe it'll spur you on to do a little bit of study or research about the cube in situations like this. I think it's really cool. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.